Suji. Yeah, so what happened is day before yesterday, my previous support connected with me for some time. So he helping me to bring these parameters here, but it's not completely done. Yeah, yeah. So I made a flow in the office, but I made it with like very simple kind of thing. I was able to pull the data, but I missed a major part that I need to connect that data with a project number. So he helped me doing that in that flow. So we bought this data here, but he just kept this thing here, but we didn't arrange it properly. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. This is the picture. We also need to pull this data. This is pending. But he told me that you can pull this. No, in the same flow because this data is already there in a flow which we are already pulling some data from. Yeah, yeah, this data we have to pull in that flow. The table is integrated. The both tables are integrated, but they didn't create these columns in the dataverse. We need to create these columns in the dataverse and then pull the data. Yes, you can take the control. No, the edit form is in a different browser in the bottom tab. The pitch here is the form. This form is in this browser now. The picture is here. Yeah.